Hello friends, welcome to my channel. How you guys doing today? I will be sharing with you how I achieved the best twist style on my 4C hair with this DIY natural hair milk. Please do not forget to like this video if you do and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Let's go over what we're going to need for this DIY. I use fresh aloe vera gel and actually use 3 tablespoons of shea butter. Please make sure you soften yours. You will avoid what I have to go through of not easy blending. Half a cup of organic coconut milk, 1 teaspoon sweet almond oil, 1 teaspoon honey. If you have organic, that's good. 1 teaspoon of Jamaican Castor Oil, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E. I added 7 to 8 drops of Lavender Essential Oil and I mix all together in a food processor. I did pour it into a container. This is for me to be able to store it and easy application for me when I'm ready to use it. My hair is freshly washed, deep conditioned. We're about to put this DIY milk into test. Starting by separating my hair into 2 big sections. It's important for me to keep my hair hydrated, so I will be keeping this spray bottle near me so I can revive my hair when it's getting dry. Of course, I'm going to be using the hair milk that we just DIY'd. My fingers and this comb are going to be helping me to separate my hair. The sizing of your 2-strand twist will depend on you. I want medium size. Adding some of the good stuff on my palm and apply it to my hair. I work it into every strand of my hair. This is really important because I need every strand of my hair to be hydrated and really saturated with this product. I did separate my hair with my fingers because it's easier, and I did comb it before I start twisting. I hope you can see how moisturized my hair look. It even felt way better. My hair really loved this milk. Here is how it looked when I was done. By the time I was done with this hair, it was around like 2 o'clock. I went about my day, and when it was time for me to sleep, I just wrapped my hair on the red scarf and I went to bed. Here is how my hair looked like the next day. I use organic castor oil for takedown. It really do feel soft and feel hydrated, but it's dry at the same time. I definitely took my time with this because I tend to hurry up, which sometimes distract my calls. I didn't do a lot of separation on the hair because over the next few days, I know my hair is going to get bigger. I'll use a big comb to lift my hair at the root to make it bigger and fluffy. My hair really do love this. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you for being here. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Mwah. XOXO. Bye.